Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the SuperTREX indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the SuperTREX indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 41 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 480 indicators, with 196 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the SuperTREX indicator. And you can kind of see it here on screen. It's basically a line moving through the price action right here. Could make it a little bit more visible if I went in and bumped up these lines like that. Help out just a tad bit more. But really what we are looking for are these tags right here. And so they're basically when this line switches green, or when it switches from red to green, or from green to red. So when it switches colors, that's when we pick up one of these tags here. And it labels it for us pretty easily there, so we get buy tags and sell tags. And so the setup on this, as you can probably guess, is when we get a buy tag, we are going to go long. When we get a sell tag, we are going to go short. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we pick up the first signal right here. It is a sell signal, and you can see that this candle right here pushes down really far, coming down, definitely hitting our take profit before it rebounds up and then takes off to the upside. As it does that, it kind of pushes up, pulls back, and then gives us a long signal right here. And price action pushes up really nicely right there, also getting us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Right, so over here we pick up a sell signal, and you can see that price action pushes down really nicely. That gets that one to our take profit. And then over here we pick up a long signal. Unfortunately, this is the switch from one week to another, and so we get a gap down when this new week opens up. Price action tries to push up, but really isn't able to break much higher than the previous week before it gets pushed to the downside really hard. And that one's going to be our first losing signal right there. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so that will put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we've recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet as well. So you'll get the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, and that shows exactly which indicators were winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to all the strategies that we have tested, in an Excel sheet of all the strategies. And that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those strategies. Our admin Rob posts often scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanner, he'll post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing recently is one of our other members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they have created a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they are giving away to all the patrons for free. A lot of these indicators that they're using, that they've built these other indicators out of, are a lot of the ones, like I said, that we have tested here on the channel. And they're actually working on turning those into trading bots as well. Once they have that all worked out, they'll be offering those to the patrons also. So there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's take a look at our indicator here. Not a whole lot of trades. As you can see, we only picked up those 4 trades right there. But you can see that out of the 1, 2, 3, and 4 trades, we have 1, 2, 3 winners. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria. All in all, not a horrible indicator. Excuse me. It seemed like it was really catching some decent moves, filtering out some of the choppiness. You can even see that this losing trade right here that we were talking about during the testing, that was a switch from one week to another, and then a gap down, actually pushed down a decent amount right there, but was able to then recover and push its way back up. And so with a little manipulation of where we would put our stops, then this would have been 4 trades, 4 wins across the board, and would have done really nicely. So it'd be interesting to see if this one is stable on a lower time frame, considering how it did only give us 4 trades within 1 year. It would be nice that if we could use it on a lower time frame, excuse me, then we could pick up, obviously more trades in a shorter period of time. And so, but for now, this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.